G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video we're going to be reinstalling the engine back into the RM125. So let's get started. Okay, before I put the engine into the bike, I've just fastened the bike to the stand so that it's more stable and hopefully won't fall or come off the stand while I'm trying to maneuver the engine. I've also got the engine mount bolts ready to go to slide straight in to make it easier. I've removed the rear shock absorber just so I've got better access and less chance of damaging things, and also the axle bolt here for the swing arm has been taken back and it's just in about this far, just so that it will hold the swing arm in place so that the engine can slide in between this gap here. Okay, now with the engine just sitting in place, it's time to just slide your bolts in there just so that it lines them up to the holes. Now with two of the engine mounts in, just re-slide your swing arm axle bolt back into place so that it runs all the way through the swing arm, the engine, and then the frame. Okay, I've just been getting the old dirty looking bolts and giving them a little bit of a tidy up on the wire brush on the bench grinder. So yeah, it tidies them up quite nicely. Now to install the top engine mount brackets. Okay, now with the engine in place, all the engine mounts on the bike, they're all finger tight, so the engine can still move freely. Now I need to tension this swing arm axle bolt which goes through the engine at 50 foot-pound torque, so that will just pull the engine and the swing arm into the proper alignment, and all the other bolts can then be tightened. Now that I have the swing arm axle bolt in place and at the correct tension, I'm going to start with the lower engine mounts and work my way to the top. The lower engine mounts are both at 32.5 foot-pound of torque. and the top engine mounts are at 31 foot-pound torque. Now with the engine reinstalled in the bike, I'm going to put the rear shock absorber back in and also tension up the swing arm linkage bearings to the correct tensions. Both of the shock absorber bolts, upper and lower, are at 40 foot-pound. Now just to tension the swing arm linkage bolts. It says here at 58 foot-pound. All of the torques that I get are just off the internet there, and I just have them on my phone, so they're quite easy to find if you require any torque specs. Hey, watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.